Hello, everybody watching this. Today I'm very angry. So, the reason why I am upset about the slideshow is because you won't believe it. I feel left out. Yes, the creator of everything feels left out. Let's start from the beginning. So when we created the slideshow, it started turning into RPs, which stands for role play, and it just turned into everything. Then we started having to get AR points, which I was not there to reach. So I had to read while everybody else was typing. Nobody told me what was going on in the slideshow, and it sucked a lot. Oh, and by the end, I'm going to show you proof I've been crying, people. You don't even need proof because I'm crying right now. Also, it doesn't make matters worse. I'm probably gonna have to get rid of Maggie. So probably she can go to like a farmhouse because that's where she's better living for. That's not at all. I hate it so much. Why me? Why me? Why me?